Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P0341 indicates an issue with the camshaft position sensor and crankshaft position sensor incorrect phase detection in Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This malfunction is identified when there is a significant deviation in the timing signals provided by the camshaft position sensor, A, and the crankshaft position sensor. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, relies on these signals to optimize engine performance and timing. If the PCM detects that the intake camshaft phase is outside the specified range, while the variable valve timing control, VTC, is not engaged, it records this error code and illuminates the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL. Understanding the components involved, including the camshaft and crankshaft sensors, is essential for accurate diagnostics and resolution. These sensors are critical in ensuring harmony between the engine's mechanical and electronic systems, impacting overall vehicle performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions compliance. DTC P0341 highlights problems with specific components: the CMP sensor A and CKP sensor. The camshaft position CMP sensor A is crucial in providing the PCM with the angle of the camshaft, which correlates with the engine's timing. The crankshaft position CKP sensor serves a similar function for the crankshaft. Both sensors work collaboratively to ensure that the engine's timing is synchronized accurately for optimal performance. The CMP sensor is usually located near the camshaft, while the CKP sensor is found at the crankshaft. The positioning of these sensors is integral, since they need to capture direct and immediate data as the engine runs. If there's a mismatch in the signals generated by these sensors, it triggers DTC P0341, indicating that corrective actions are necessary. Several possible causes can lead to the P0341 error code, each pointing to different system failures. First, if the CMP sensor A is improperly installed, it may not correctly align with the engine's functionality, leading to inaccurate readings. Additionally, if the CMP sensor A becomes stuck due to internal mechanical failure or contamination, it can impede the flow of information to the PCM. A range or performance issue with the CMP sensor A could arise from electrical faults or wear and tear over time. Furthermore, if the cam chain is poorly installed, it may cause misalignment of the timing, affecting the synchrony between the camshaft and crankshaft. Lastly, problems with the VTC actuator, whether it is stuck or exhibits a delayed response, can also trigger DTC P0341 by affecting the camshaft position knowledge collected by the PCM. Each of these causes needs to be systematically investigated to accurately address the fault. When DTC P0341 is present, drivers may experience a range of symptoms impacting the vehicle's performance significantly. One of the primary symptoms is noticeable engine performance issues, such as stalling or rough idling, which can lead to a frustrating driving experience. Additionally, fuel efficiency may decline as the PCM struggles to optimize injector timings and valve openings due to incorrect information from the sensors. The illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, serves as a clear alert to the driver that a problem has been diagnosed, necessitating further investigation. Delayed acceleration and power loss may also be evident as the engine control strategies adapt to the perceived fault. These symptoms emphasize the importance of addressing the DTC promptly to restore the vehicle's operational integrity. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0341 involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle. This initiation sets the basis for the diagnostic process, as the PCM continuously monitors sensor outputs during operation. When performing this step, it's essential to observe that the diagnosis may not finish immediately, indicating that more in-depth checks are necessary. After letting the engine cool to ambient temperature, it is recommended to restart and idle the engine again, allowing the PCM to reassess the sensor signals under consistent conditions. This idle process is crucial for the PCM to gather data and identify any potential irregularities in sensor performance. If the diagnosis is still incomplete, further investigation into sensor functionality and their connections will be required. Using the Auto Diagnostics system, HDS, is the next important step in diagnosing DTC P0341. The HDS will provide advanced diagnostic capabilities, allowing a focused approach to understanding the issues related to the error code. During this step, it's critical to check for any additional diagnostic trouble codes that may be present alongside P0341. The presence of codes such as P010, P0335, P0339, P0340, P0344, and P1009 suggests that there may be interconnected issues with the variable valve timing or crankshaft timing. Identifying these related codes can help refine the troubleshooting process and ensure that the appropriate repairs are made. The HDS can also assist in visualizing real-time data, helping technicians gauge sensor performance under various engine conditions. This valuable data stream aids in confirming or isolating issues effectively. After repairs have been completed to address DTC P0341, it's crucial to conduct a final verification of the work performed. This step involves using the HDS or another suitable diagnostic tool to clear the DTCs in the PCM memory. Once cleared, the vehicle should be put through a series of operational tests, including multiple drive cycles under varied conditions. Ensuring the engine operates correctly post-repair is vital for confirming that the underlying issue has been resolved. During this period, monitoring for the return of the DTC and watching for any related symptoms will serve as indicators of the repair's success. If the error does not reappear, it affirms that the corrective actions taken were effective in restoring proper function. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding the recurrence of DTC P0341 and ensuring the longevity of vehicle components. One prudent practice is to conduct regular inspections of the CMP and CKP sensors, ensuring they are free from debris, corrosion, and physical damage. It's also wise to routinely check the electrical connections and wiring associated with these sensors to maintain optimal performance levels. Regular maintenance on the timing chain can prevent misalignments that could lead to sensor malfunctions. Scheduling these checks as part of routine service intervals can greatly aid in early detection of potential issues. Proactively maintaining these systems ultimately contributes to the vehicle's reliability and overall performance. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0341 in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017 is crucial for maintaining vehicle performance and reliability. This particular diagnostic trouble code indicates problems with the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors that can lead to significant engine performance issues if left unresolved. By following the detailed troubleshooting steps and conducting proper repairs, technicians can effectively manage this error and prevent future occurrences. The importance of timely repairs cannot be overstated, as ignoring the symptoms related to P0341 can result in diminished engine performance and potential long-term damage. Continuous preventive maintenance and inspections will further strengthen the resilience of the vehicle's engine management system, thus ensuring optimal operation for years to come. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.